Expert power. People may follow a leader if they think that his or her expertise will help them reach their goals. Consequently, a leader's expert power consists of three main components: the perception that the leader has certain expertise, the perception that a follower needs to utilize that expertise, the followers have goals requiring specific expertise. When office automation took off, many organizations had fake computer experts. With their backs turned to their colleagues, they fixed frozen computers by secretly pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete. To keep their higher status, they didn't share this elementary knowledge. Once those colleagues discovered that easy fix themselves, the status of those fake experts plummeted to the level of ordinary mortals, or lower. Expert power will be stronger as the perceived expertise gap is wider. Small expertise gaps tend to be bridged or closed over time, expiring expert power. Wider, functional expertise gaps, such as a surgeon leading in an operating room, may exist throughout someone's career. Expert power will wane if the expertise isn't kept up to date, or if it isn't kept relevant. Some experts rely too much on universal applicability of their expertise that they ignore ideas, feedback or important warnings from others. People will not follow someone's lead because of their expertise if they think that they do not need that expertise to reach their goals. If the stakes are high enough, expert power can exceed all other power bases. For example, soldiers under fire are more likely to follow orders from a low-ranking combat-hardened veteran than from a superior in command to whom they do not attribute the expertise to keep them alive. Some follow an expert leader secretly, not wanting to openly acknowledge his or her expertise, but still wanting to profit from it. Such followers tend to lie about where or from whom they got their knowledge or skills. In Lesson 1 we learned that leadership requires transition, going from one situation to another. Those without desire to change their situation are unlikely to follow an expert's directions that may help alter their situation. People will also be unlikely to follow an expert's directions that may help reach their goals, if they are unaware that reaching their goals requires certain expertise or that they have access to an expert who can help them reach their goals. Once certain goals are achieved, the expertise that helped to achieve this is often redundant and the expert power has expired. One can get and keep expert power by becoming an expert, for instance through learning, training or practicing. Letting others know that you have relevant expertise by credibly and respectfully giving input or feedback and by demonstrating your expertise in practice. Keeping expertise relevant and up to date, aimed at application, needs and developments. Having direct access to relevant, current expertise, for instance from consultants. Informational power is a subtype of expert power that generally offers little leadership opportunities as such. If the information is not shared, no one is led, so there is no leadership. Sharing the information closes the knowledge gap between the expert and others. Sharing relevant information with others can help you earn referent power that may be stronger and last longer than expert power.